I don't know why. I always wait until it starts recording to have a cough. I'm sorry. I am eating a sweetie. Well recommended. They're delicious. So anyway, you know what's in. Well, you don't know what's in them, but you sort of know. It's heavy actually. There's two of them. There's this one, and this one. And it must be getting on in the day because they do feel heavy. And I've got another one due to arrive in the next 3 hours. I'm hopeful. Pretty incredible because I ordered it last night about 1 a.m. And I'll do these. I'll show you them briefly. Got no cotton gloves. What have I got to do to get that? Computer. Right. Yes, I know I'm having performance issues. Excuse this. This is from my smoking days. That's where the ashtray used to be. Looks hideous, doesn't it? That'll do, because you can see me as well. So this is book 1 of 3 tonight. I've got 2 of them already. Oh, see how the pages are wavy. Isn't that annoying when books do that? Okay? I wonder why they do that. There's a PhD in that. Okay, I'm not looking, and I promise I haven't opened it at first, so I don't know which way it's going to come out. It's going to come out back first. I get to see it first. Lovely. The definitive visual history of design, DK. They are making them smaller. That was well noted by somebody. I don't really. Yeah, it's not even a foot. That's 11 and a half inches, or about 87 centimeters. 28 and a half centimeters, 28.6 centimeters, and 9 and a half inches, 24 and 24.1 centimeters. Beautiful, nice orange, isn't it? Bright spanking new. Oh, look at that. Damn. Never mind. I didn't pay 150 for this, did I? If I do this, I could almost do it. No. No. Yeah, this is one to do from above. Right. What is design? Arts and crafts, Art Nouveau, Art Deco, modernism, mid-century modern, cultural revolution, postmodern and contemporary. Oh, it's all right. It's brighter for you, isn't it? Oh, that's better. I can read it now. No, you can't see it, but I can see it. Gorgeous. Well, yes. Lovely. 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 Alphabet. Lovely. Oh, cars. Lovely. Oh, coffee table. Lovely. Lovely. Design. There you go. Design. Does smell nice. Lovely book. Yeah, so that's that one. I think I'll put it there. Right. Next one. Do you know what the next one is? Hey, do you know what the next one is? Whoa. David Bowie. There's a clue. Same again. Two supposedly two. Right, aficionados will be able to tell me which book this one is. Ready? Ready? This one is like the bee's knees. This is just blow your socks off stuff. Do 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 do. Got a brand new walk. Sorry about the one tooth. That looks awful, doesn't it? We can all read that, can't we? Fashion. Dude, look. Fashion. Every generation reinvents fashion. This is fashion for every generation. 35 quid. That's the Mark's price. The other one's probably the same, so that's 70 quid's worth. But I didn't pay that. Although these are brand new. Beautiful, beautiful. And it is absolutely stunning inside. Totally stunning. It really is. It really is. I mean, it's just new edition. First published 2012. This edition published 2023. Got a brand new walk. Yeah, this is this is going to be a flip through. not every single page, because you're going to have to go and buy it. You can only see about 8 pages of this one at Amazon, I believe, and about 15 or 20 in total, because it really would spoil it to see them every page. Oh wow. Oh, stunning. Absolutely stunning, as you can see. Right. Look at that. Baroque and Rococo. And that. No. Yeah, 35 quid worth every penny, even if you paid that much. How long is that? God, that's 11 minutes already, just on these two. And I haven't shown you the insides, not like that. God, time flies. Jaeger. They used to manufacture clothes here in Plymouth, I believe. Did they, Jaeger? I'll have to check on that. Oh, what a book. Both of them. This is the one I bought first. Then came design. This is the one I really was keen to get first. Oh, shoes. Oh, right, there you go. All right.